Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this system of equations x square minus y square is equal to 1 and x square plus xy is equal to 2. Let's call it as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. Now from equation 1 we can write x square minus y square is equal to 1, or applying formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b, we can write it as x plus y times x minus y is equal to 1. Let's call it as equation number 3. And from equation 2 we can write x square plus xy is equal to 2, or taking common x from left side we can write x times x plus y is equal to 2. Call it as equation number 4. Now divided equation 3 by equation 4, we will have x plus y times x minus y from equation 3 over from equation 4 x times x plus y is equal to 1 over 2, or this x plus y and x plus y will cancel out, so it will remain x minus y over x is equal to 1 over 2, or applying cross multiplication we can write x minus y times 2 is twice x minus twice y is equal to x times 1 is x, or taking this x to left side and taking this twice y to right side, we can write twice x minus this x is equal to this twice y. So x is equal to twice y. Call it as equation number 5. Now substituting the value of x is equal to twice y in equation number 1, we can write from equation 1 x square minus y square is equal to 1, or the value of x is equal to twice y, so substituting value of x we can write twice y whole square minus y square is equal to 1, or twice y whole square is 4y square minus this y square is equal to 1, or 4y square minus y square is 3y square is equal to 1, or divided both side by 3 we can write y square is equal to 1 over 3. Now taking a square root to both side we can write y is equal to plus or minus a square root of 1 over 3. So the value of y is equal to plus or minus a square root of 1 is 1 over a square root of 3. Now from equation 5, x is equal to twice y, and substituting the value of y is equal to plus or minus 1 over root 3, we can write 2 times plus or minus 1 over root 3 is equal to plus or minus 2 times 1 is 2 over square root of 3. So the value of x and y is equal to, when x is equal to 2 over square root of 3, then the value of y is equal to 1 over square root of 3. And when the value of x is equal to negative 2 over square root of 3, then the value of y is equal to negative 1 over square root of 3. So these are the two solutions of these equations. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.